things. Kasama kayo man lang. Labi nang gi-effort tanong suwat. Ang kinitagan ko ang time na mabasa tanan, pero I think nabasa na naman ako uban ano gani ha. So kapag ta yes basa gani ha. Kani. But simple lang na lang itang buhat appeal lagi na. Happy birthday, Shirley. Greetings, Shirley. I hope you enjoy your day with a heartfelt smile. May our small effort put a smile on your face. Yes, I do. I know this is very simple, very simple as you can see. Papila ginasda, they grab a piece of paper, write what they think and what they feel during the day. At least appreciate it. Next, kani. Insha. I wish you, dear Shirley, I wish you the happiest of all. As today is your birthday, happy birthday, Shirley. Thank you for being a great teacher and for guiding us to correct our grammar, correcting our spellings, and teaching us the right way on constructing sentences. I always look forward to your classes in guise of learning English from you. Although English isn't my forte, but you make it more fun learning English. I wish you and your families a good health and a healthy family relationships, and for your celebration to be full of joy. Although we are not that close, but I would like to read this letter of mine. Once again, happy birthday, Shirley Enriquez. Dear Shirley, happy birthday, sir. I just want to say that you are a wonderful teacher. Wonderful. Although English is one of my least favorite subjects, you made it more fun and also easy to learn. I always look forward to your teaching, not just me, but also my many students. I wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day, sir, and thank you for everything that you've done to us. Sincerely, Carl Roy Go. Actually, nagibasa na ako niya ang ban. Yan, nalagi ko gipas ka na muna ako tibasa. Kani mga kapilawan ako yung nabasa gani ha. Ay there, Shirley. Thank kayo. I wish you that happiest birthday, sir. Thank you for being a great teacher to all of your students. I always look forward for your class, and I hope you know how much Action Mina enjoys listening to your teachings. You are the kindest, understanding, and wittiest teacher I've ever met, and I hope to be in your advisory in the next school year. You have taught us a lot of things in class and tolerated us. Thank you for being patient with us, sir. Action Mina loves you dearly. I hope you enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday, Shirley. Your Sakoton na student, Fatima Suarez Lagarde. Yung to ng WTS eh. WTS. Next, happy birthday, Shirley. I just want to take a moment to say thank you, not just for being a great teacher, but for being someone who truly cares. Your patience and the way you make learning enjoyable means so much to me. I hope today brings you happiness the same way you bring happiness to us. Wishing you good health, success, and a pleasant life. Enjoy your day, Shirley. Best wishes, Cardosa, from grade 8, Manila. Very simple, but it means a lot to me. Next. Happy birthday, Shirley. Happy birthday to you, Shirley. Enjoy your day today. I pray that you will have a long life and good wealth. I hope that you will continue teaching and understanding. Always be jolly and happy when teaching. So do good things in life with the bad things. Do good things, avoid bad things. Patay ta. Don't let the negative comments get to you, sir. As you get older, continue to strive for the better, sir. Thank you always for teaching us, sir. Once again, happy birthday, sir. From your student, Castillo. Tabaan ko. Actually, taas na siya. Pagkakabasa dyan niya, actually. Yan siya. Happy birthday. There's really happy birthday, sir. On this special day, I just want to make a moment to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation for all that you do. You're not just an You're not just a teacher, but a mentor, a guide, and inspiration to all of us. Your patience, wisdom, and kindness make learning truly enjoyable experience. Thank you for making us laugh even when our section is very noisy. Your sense of humor and understanding make the classroom a fun and comfortable place to learn. We truly appreciate your kindness and the way you handle everything with a smile. As you celebrate your birthday, sir, I hope it filled with happiness and all the wonderful things you deserve. May this year bring you success, good health, and endless joy. Once again, sir, happy birthday and thank you for being such an incredible teacher. So then, from Mina, go ilan. Nakakapisa din na. We appreciate you ba? Kanya, si Cortez. Hagmong na siya kay. Kira na. Happy birthday, my brother, sir. I hope you have a wonderful day. Ang letter I is small. I hope you enjoy your day and thank you for the wonderful things that you teach us. I'm hoping that you can teach us more. And that's all. Thank you. The next side. Capital I na ha. Ang small I naman na. Next. Happy birthday, sir. Lala lang ako for ito. Happy birthday, Shirley. I hope you had a joyous birthday and I hope that all of your wish will come true and I wish small lagi yung ay kapital lagi sultian at mga in good health. Thank you for teaching us and thank you for the wonderful members we cherish to each other. I know that I'm knowing but still manage your patience. So thank you and a wonderful day. Yung letter I always tell them kita niya small I anyway bisa natin luwa ni grado ron. Hi sir, happy birthday sir. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for being the best teacher I've come across. Thank you for your kind consideration when katong sige pa kong larga Thank you so much sir. Today will be one of your happiest days in your life. We love you sir. Asola, your beloved student. Ha ha ha. Ato mo dyan consider like they're doing it for the name of the school. Next, this one. Happy birthday, sir. Uy, you are 40 now. My God, my guess. Wrong ka. Wapa ko'y 40. I am very fond of the English subjects, and when you became our English teacher, I learned a lot. Even though I am quite knowledgeable in this subject, I learned that I have lots of things to correct. I may not know you personally, but I think you are an awesome individual outside school. And I do think you're very amusing at times. Thank you for every sacrifice you made in the sake of teaching us. Stay young, Shirley. Makaalay. 40. Buwan na lagi na ko na 40 na ko na ko. Ayun. Happy birthday, Shirley. Happy birthday, Shirley. I hope you are happy today. More birthday to come, sir. Thank you for teaching us. Imbis badlungon mi, mama. Imbis badlungon mi, mama kasi ako unya, sir. I hope na dogay paka makitudlo diri sa kumpre as student and sa teacher ni mo Shirley and her na okay ra ni mo imbes sa ba mi magpasnakan always ang you have a long life. Mabuhay ka sir. Thank you sa pag-teach na ako sir. Happy birthday Shirley. Sige mga sabi ako na mas nako na lang ko na alang yan langas pa yung baba langas pa yung tiyan mas na lang mo. Happy birthday, Shirley. Dear Shirley, before anything else, I would like to wish you a happy birthday. In this special day, I would like to thank you for being a wonderful teacher to all of us. You're not just a teacher, you are a mentor, a parent there to guide us in our studies. I pray for you to live a long, healthy, and most of all, a happy life. May God guide you in everything you do. Once again, happy birthday, Shirley. 3 years, Victoriano is Kaya? Ano? Umano lang ang school year, I am having a hard time pronouncing his name. Is Kaya or his Kaya? I don't know. Okay. May pangan. Happy birthday, Shirley. May pangan. Actually. Happy birthday, Shirley. Thank you for everything in the morning, the sun. Thank you, sir, kay Sa'yo kay minimum buhi. Nakay kang ipahimo na mo. Ayaw, pagdugay ka sa dress comfort kaya ka sa mga teacher nga may mutullo. Mara na plus point ni sir ha. Sa'yo kay mamuhi. Gamay pagbuhat, yes. Gamay lagi na ako may pagbuhat. Kaya hindi ko na makikompetensya sa other subject. And I understand how burdensome sa mga students kung magdungan na tanang subject, maghatag o mga activities ba. Imagine, kumpre